What's up guys, Caleb here with Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at a 2006 VTX 1300. Guys, this is in decent shape. It does have these aftermarket bags, which are a little goofy, but they actually come on and off really easily. It's just like a pin in there. But this is the walk around video. This is the weirdest little thing. But this does have like barbed wire, what do you call that, like painted on the whole way around. It's got a nice big old scratch right there on the rear fender. This bike has 50,000 miles on it, guys. Little holes in the seat. Embrace debate. Are they cigarette burns? Nah, I'm just joking. It's got Vance & Hines on it. This is in decent shape, guys. For the money, you're getting a ton of bike. Scuff right there on the front. You're getting a ton of bike for the money, guys. It's kind of the point. These VTXs run forever. It's got 50,000 miles. It's got close to brand new Michelin Commanders on it, so you got great tread on the tires. This is kind of all you want in a bike that you know you're gonna kind of ride distance and beat up. Scratch right there. Or, you know, just like a putz around town bike for cheap. Just a scuff. And that's just a piece of bug. It's all in decent shape. A little bit of pitting in the chrome, if you can see. Not a huge deal, guys. I want to see this thing has lights, because it's got the hookup for it. They are carbureted, guys. Battery tender port. It does have this goofy rider backrest, which is super nice to have, but it kind of like, I don't know, it's kind of annoying. It folds up and down weird. A couple little light scuffs in the paint, if you can see. The paint's a little bit faded. I don't know if you can see it, but the black's a little bit faded. I do not know if it was repainted. I don't think it was. Then again, it could have been. It looks like maybe just the, I don't know. It's got this barbed wire going the whole way around. It's got this goofy blue tint windshield, which I hate. Cup holder.